What sort of person exhibits rage and anger publicly? That's my new question for you. I have never done that. If I am angry, I usually take it out on myself. But I cannot understand people who will confront others in public and go on a mad rage without a real reason behind it. And they are unable to communicate why they are even angry. And then they turn it around and project back onto the other person that they are hateful and full of anger and rage for telling the truth when it was done in a completely calm manner. But one must be very careful with text messages and emails, because if someone is full of rage and they receive a message that was not sent in that way, they will take it that way because that's the way they are thinking and not the sender. And this is something that the text messaging generation doesn't understand, nor do their parents. It doesn't matter how often you explain it, it doesn't make sense to them. Emotions cannot be conveyed in a text message or an email unless your email is explained in full. And it's just so disheartening when you are accused of something that you did not do. I have spent my entire life dealing with someone that is like this, and it has affected my life, and not in a good way. But I am taking my life back, and no one has to be treated this way. When you can come into contact with someone that's accusing you of something that you haven't done, or an emotion that you have not conveyed, look at them and you will know that it's about them and it is their problem. And what they think about you is none of your business. That's a hard one to accept and to let go of, but you can do it. Don't let them get the best of you. That's the main message of this. Don't let them take the happiness from your life. Don't let them take the joy. Don't let them take your gifts that you have to give to the world. Walk away. But don't run the way they do, because that is all they are capable of, running away.